Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID not working on App Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your Apple ID is not working in App Store or in iTunes Store, so let's see how can you easily fix that. So it must be a network issue. Not to fix that, you can easily refresh your network. Now to do that, you have to scroll down the control center and you have to make sure that you're connected to an internet connection using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. We can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. Then go back, open your settings here, go for general settings, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. And after that, go back, transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. So if there will be any network issue, it will be fixed in this step. Or after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to look for Apple Sport app. Or you can also use Apple Sport Web. So select your iPhone from here, select more option, select App Store from here, and now you just have to select the option of get more help, then select call us. Now you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.